Welcome back to Buckeye Country Creations. If you're a returning viewer, I'm so glad you're here. And if you're new, I'm so glad you stopped by today. I hope everyone's having a blessed day. And here's just a quick little video tip. Okay, I'm going to teach you how to make hummingbird nectar. Homemade hummingbird nectar. Okay? In this pot or any sauce pot, you want to put 8 cups of water because your ratio is going to be 4 to 1. So I'm going to use 8 cups of water and 2 cups of sugar. So I'm going to get my water started heating up. And once I add my sugar to this water, this granulated sugar, just regular granulated sugar, I'm going to add to that water and then I'll let it boil for 2 minutes. So now I'm going to measure out my 2 cups of granulated sugar. And you do not need any red dye or food coloring or anything like that because that is actually bad for the hummingbirds. And you do not want to use that in your hummingbird nectar. And you heat it because you want to keep it from fermenting too quick. So I heat my water for 1 to 2 minutes, let it come to a boil. Of course, like I said, heat it. And then I let it come to room temperature. So once my water starts boiling, I will add my 2 cups of sugar. And see, I have a red and a purple hummingbird feeder. That's all you need for color. You don't have to put the red dye. Okay, my water's starting to warm up. So I'm going to put my sugar in there and then I'm going to whisk it until my sugar is completely dissolved in the water. Mixing it real well. I probably should have gotten a bigger pot. I think I overestimated the size of my pot. But anyway, I'm just going to work with what I have because I don't want to dirty up another pot. Okay, so now my water is starting to heat up. I've been cooking it for about 2 minutes. And as soon as my timer goes off, I'm going to turn off the heat, remove it from the burner, and let it come to room temperature. You want it to cool completely. And then anything that you have that doesn't fit in your feeder, you can put it in your refrigerator. So these are my hummingbird feeders that I have hung up on my porch. So go make you some healthy hummingbird nectar. And thanks for watching.